Hey guys, I am going to do a what's inside my travel bag. I am going up north on a plane, and it's really my first time since I was a little kid, say about 15, 16 years ago. So this is what's inside my bag, and the same bag that I brought to Disney. So what's in it is my quart size bag is the Tresemme conditioner, then Bodycology coconut lime, and Almay clear complexion heal. You've seen this a few times already. Let me actually get into it. Almay brown define pencil. Baby Lips, regular, just moisturizing sunscreen, clear. Still smells like jelly beans. Elf lip stain in the color Nude Nectar. Hand sanitizer. And Love and Beauty by Forever 21 in the color Nude Beige. I don't know if you can see that in bad lighting, because of course it's in my room. But that's in my quart size bag. Then little miscellaneous stuff. I have floss, hair ties, Elf small stipple brush, and then in my main compartment I got candy, Crunch, chocolate bar, Jawbreakers, my cell phone used to take videos and pictures. I use this one because I don't care about this phone. A headband thing. I just wanted to be a little flare, so I got that. Then a whole bunch of stuff. SD cards, little small microchips. I got 2 of them. Headphones, tweezers, and Insignia power bank. I did a review on that. I got a book just to read, Phantom of the Opera by Gaston Leroux. A emery board, socks, a sketchbook for drawing, and a pencil case full of pens, microns, different pencils from HB to 6B. A story that I'm writing. Oh, I have an extra pencil. Gotta put that in that bag. And a dollar bill. So that's basically what's in my travel bag. I hope that was fun for you to watch. You probably don't even care, so yeah. Have a nice day and have a magical day.